Here's a simple way to count characters inside of a cell. So we have like feedback, comments. We want to make sure these are either minimum sum amount or maximum sum amount of characters. We're going to use the equals LEN, and this formula is called LEN or LEN, but it's also called length. And this is the length of how many characters are in the cell. So here we have 14, 31, and this works even if we have a ton of characters inside of a cell. There are 200 characters. It's great for writing social media posts that have to be a maximum number of characters, or counting. I actually use this to count the number of letters in a domain name. When I was trying to pick out a new name for a company many years ago, we added the character count to keep it to a minimum and increase the points for that domain when we had a very short domain. It's really cool. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.